Hello everyone, and welcome to this new episode. Today, we're going to talk about the essential skills you must have to succeed if you want to earn money through data entry. Whether you're just starting out or considering this to make income, it's important to know what it really takes well in this field. In this video, we will cover everything you need to understand before you begin your data entry journey. We will also share 6 practical tips that can help you build a strong foundation and set yourself up for success in data entry. So make sure stay with us until the end because these insights will guide you to confidently earn and grow your career in this fast-growing industry. One more point, this channel is created especially for people who want to start earning from home but may not have advanced technical skills or a large budget to invest. We understand the challenges and opportunities of working remotely, and through our carefully curated learning materials and expert guidance, we aim to give you a clear path to success. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your skills, our content will help you build confidence and achieve your goals. By subscribing and liking our channel, you'll stay updated with our latest videos packed with practical tips, step-by-step tutorials, and motivational advice designed to empower your earning journey. Together, we will help you unlock new opportunities and create a brighter future. Let's get started. Why data entry isn't for everyone. Data entry is a wonderful way to start earning money quickly with the freedom to work on your own schedule. It is a flexible job that suits many different kinds of people. For example, housewives who want to earn from home while taking care of their families can find data entry perfect because they can choose hours that fit their routine. Students can also earn while they study, giving them some extra income without sacrificing their education. Working professionals who want a side hustle, something extra aside from their regular job, find data entry useful because it does not interfere with their main work. Teachers who have some spare time and basic computer skills can take on data entry tasks easily. Basically, anyone who knows how to type a little and use a computer can start working remotely through data entry. Even commerce or finance professionals with basic skills can find data entry jobs related to their field, like managing simple accounts or finance data. Science or biology students can also benefit from medical transcription data entry, which fits their knowledge. Seniors or retirees looking for light, manageable online work can also consider data entry as a good option. People living in rural or remote areas who have internet access but limited local job choices can access global opportunities through data entry. The best part is you don't need a special background. If you can use a keyboard and follow instructions carefully, you can start earning money with data entry. Why is data entry a good choice? It requires a low investment. You just need a computer or laptop and an internet connection. There's no need for advanced technical knowledge, so it's easy to start. You can work flexible hours, picking projects that match your own time availability. Also, because data entry jobs exist wide, you can work for clients from different countries without leaving your home. Some common types of data entry work you might do from home include times filling out online forms for surveys or registrations, times updating content on websites or product catalogs, times cleaning and formatting data for research projects, times helping virtual assistants with managing spreadsheets and lists. In summary, data entry opens doors for many people to earn money in a way that fits their life. With basic computer skills, bit of dedication, you can start building your income from anywhere. But remember, this journey requires a certain level of commitment and dedication. Without these, success may be difficult to achieve. Reality check: what it takes to succeed, and who will thrive. Now that we understand why data entry is a popular option, let's take a closer look at what it really takes to succeed in this field. Success in data entry isn't about luck or just showing up. It requires certain qualities and habits that will help you do your best work consistently. First and foremost, data entry involves structured and repetitive tasks. If you enjoy working in an organized way and like seeing tangible results from your efforts, this can be very satisfying. Rewarding to know that your accuracy and speed make a direct difference in the quality of the work you deliver. Successful data entry professionals are also eager to learn and improve their skills continuously. The digital world keeps evolving, and being open to learning new tools, shortcuts, or processes will help you stay ahead. This eagerness to grow not only helps you do your current job better, but can open doors to higher paying and more specialized roles in the future. In addition to skills, data entry is a fantastic way to develop valuable professional habits such as discipline and attention to detail. These habits are essential for meeting deadlines and avoiding costly errors. As you build these habits, you will notice your confidence and expertise growing steadily. While data entry is not for everyone, it is an excellent fit for those who value consistency and enjoy detailed work. If you appreciate flexibility in choosing your work hours and want to earn money on your own terms, data entry can provide that freedom without sacrificing steady income. With the right mindset, focused, positive, and dedicated, and by equipping yourself with the proper tools and knowledge, you can absolutely succeed and advance in this field. Embracing the challenges of data entry opens up many benefits. Beyond just earning money, you develop skills and experience, provide a foundation for future career growth, whether within data entry or in other digital roles. So, if you're ready to commit and keep learning, data entry can be both a practical way to earn and a rewarding career path that grows with you over time. Let's now talk about some essential skills every successful data entry professional needs. The great news is, no matter your background or experience, all of these skills can be learned. Starting a journey in data entry isn't just about getting a job, it's about building practical, valuable skills that will help you in many parts of your life and career. The first and most obvious skill is typing speed and accuracy. Being able to type quickly and with few mistakes helps you get your work done faster and more efficiently. Most data entry jobs will expect you to type around 40 to 60 words per minute. But don't worry, if you can't do that yet, there are lots of free and easy to use typing tutor apps and websites that can help you improve your typing speed and accuracy within just a few weeks of practice. A little daily effort goes a long way. Next is software literacy, being comfortable with tools like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and simple databases. Data entry work often relies on these platforms. If you're not familiar with them, don't be discouraged. There's a huge number of tutorials and step-by-step guides online, many of which are free or very affordable. With just a little effort, you can go from beginner to confident user, unlocking more and better paying opportunities as you go. Another must-have skill is attention to detail. Employers and clients value professionals who can deliver error-free work. The best way to improve this is to always double-check your work before submitting, use built-in spelling and grammar checkers, your own checklist for what to review. Over time, you'll naturally become more careful and your clients will trust you. Organizational skills and strong time management also make a world of difference. Managing your workload efficiently and being able to meet deadlines is important especially when you're handling multiple tasks or projects. Setting up a simple daily schedule using productivity tools like digital calendars or to-do lists and learning from experienced freelancers can help you become more organized and consistent. You get better with every project you complete. Lastly, you'll need the ability to follow instructions and meet deadlines. This means listening closely, communicating when you need clarity, and keeping track of your progress. If you make this a habit, you'll find it much to deliver your work on time and to the exact requirements your client needs. The best part, none of these skills require special talent, they just need a willingness to learn, a commitment to practice, and a positive, can-do mindset. If you approach each of these skills as a chance to grow, there's nothing stopping you from becoming successful in data entry. Remember, with the right attitude and consistent effort, success is absolutely within your reach. Personal attributes critical for success. Let's move beyond technical skills and talk about something just as important, that is, your personal qualities. In data entry, these attributes are the secret superpowers that will help you deliver great work, stay motivated, and build a reputation. First, patience is a must. Data entry often involves repetitive work and requires careful attention to small details. Patience is not something you're just born with, it's something you can develop. Simple habits, like taking short breaks, setting small targets for yourself, or celebrating when you complete a project, can help make routine tasks more enjoyable. Next, self-motivation is essential for anyone working independently. Data entry gives you the freedom to manage your time, but it also means you're responsible for getting the job done. If you like being in charge of your own schedule and enjoy seeing your improvements in both earnings and skill, you'll thrive in this environment. Reliability is another core attribute. Clients want someone they can depend on to deliver high-quality work on time, every time. You can build this trait by planning your work, sticking to your routine, and always striving to do your best. One more key quality is your willingness to learn and adapt. Every client or project may ask for slightly different things. Being open-minded and eager to learn new ways of working shows that you are professional and ready to take on more responsibility. The awesome thing about these personal qualities is that anyone can develop and strengthen them over time. If you show patience, motivation, reliability, and a willingness to learn, you are already on your way to success. So, bring your best attitude and commitment and let your strengths shine. With these personal attributes, your data entry journey can be both productive and deeply fulfilling. Let's talk about the technical setup you need to succeed in data entry. The good news? These requirements are really straightforward and don't require a big investment. First, let's look at the hardware. You don't need a high-end device to get started. Basic, reliable computer or laptop will do the trick for most data entry jobs. As a guideline, try to have at least 4 GB of RAM, a decent processor, and a keyboard that feels comfortable for long typing sessions. If you use a laptop, consider using a mouse and, if possible, an external keyboard. They'll help speed up your work and make the process more comfortable. Next, you need a good internet connection. Fast and stable internet is a must because your work will often depend on uploading files quickly and staying connected to clients without interruptions. Most home broadband or fiber connections work perfectly. But if you sometimes have speed issues, a Wi-Fi booster or a mobile hotspot can be a useful backup. Now, let's focus on your workspace. You don't need a fancy office, just a simple, tidy space with good lighting, and a comfortable chair will help you stay focused. Wherever you set up, Make sure you have everything you need at arm's reach, like water, a notebook, and your charger. By meeting these technical prerequisites, you are setting yourself up for comfort, focus, and efficiency, not just to start, but to really thrive in your data entry career. With just a little bit of planning and some simple upgrades over time, you'll be in a great position to do your best work and enjoy the benefits of working from home. Avoiding common pitfalls in data entry. Let's talk about something just as important as learning the right skills, avoiding mistakes that can hold you back. Success in data entry means knowing what traps to watch for, developing smart habits, and staying proactive so your hard work pays off. First, watch out for frequent errors that can reduce your earning potential. Common mistakes, like typing errors, entering the wrong numbers, or leaving blanks in your data, happen more often than you think, but the good news is, they're easy to prevent. Always double-check your work before you submit it. Use built-in spell checkers and make it a routine to review everything one last time. Remember, the fewer mistakes you send out, the more your clients will rely on you and reward your consistency. If you rush through projects without thinking, let your files and folders get messy, or don't read instructions fully, you're more likely to make errors that could have been avoided. Combat these habits by organizing your workspace, keeping your files neat, and using checklists. Take regular short breaks to stay focused and develop a habit of reviewing your steps. It's about working smart, not just hard. Another big thing, don't fall for the temptation of shortcuts or hurrying through your tasks. It might feel like you're saving time, but it usually means more corrections and frustration later on. And if you deliver sloppy work, you risk losing the trust of your clients. Make accuracy your number one goal and keep a steady pace. Your speed will naturally improve with experience, but always prioritize getting things right. The best part is, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to make an honest effort to catch mistakes, stay organized, and pay attention. Every project is a chance to do your best, improve, and build a reputation that brings in more work. So, focus on building good habits, learn from every assignment, and remember, simple positive actions today will lead to bigger rewards tomorrow. With care and consistency, you'll protect your income, impress your clients, and make your data entry journey truly successful. Tools and resources to support your success. Let's talk about something exciting, tools and resources that will make your data entry journey much smoother, quicker, and more enjoyable. These days, you don't need to figure everything out on your own. There are so many free and affordable resources designed to give you a head start and keep you moving forward with confidence. Let's start with typing tutor apps. Improving your typing speed and accuracy can be fun and simple when you use the right tools. Apps like Keyboard.com offer interactive exercises that actually teach you to type smarter, not just faster. Typing Club is another great choice, with lessons for everyone from beginners to advanced users, so you can learn at your own pace. RataType turns practice into a game, wherever you can earn certificates and challenge you to improve. By practicing regularly, even just a few minutes a day, you'll become a more confident and efficient typist, which is a must for any data entry job. Next, think about your workflow. Sometimes, it's not about working longer hours, it's about working smarter. Learn keyboard shortcuts for Excel, Google Sheets, and Word to zip through your work much faster. Set up autofill and reusable templates in spreadsheets to quickly handle routine tasks. Don't forget to activate built-in spell check and data validation features which can catch errors before you even submit your work. And to keep your projects organized, productivity apps like Trello or Todoist help you schedule, prioritize, and track your assignments so you never miss a deadline. But don't stop there. Connect with others in the field, big, friendly online community just waiting to help you grow. On Reddit, Data Entry Group is a great place to swap tips, hear real stories, and even see job leads. Facebook groups bring together freelancers and specialists where you can ask questions and share resources. Remember, you're never alone in your learning journey. Whether you're new or looking to sharpen your skills, these tools and communities will help you learn faster and gain more opportunities. Make exploring and using these resources a part of your routine, and you'll find your skills and your career take off in ways you never imagined. Building credibility and finding authentic work. Let's discuss one of the most important parts of your data entry career, building a strong reputation and finding genuine, trustworthy work opportunities. Getting noticed by reliable clients and landing well-paid projects starts with presenting yourself in a professional way. Begin by crafting a clear profile that highlights your main strengths, such as your typing speed, your accuracy, and your expertise in software like Excel and Google Sheets. Share certifications or test scores from typing courses or online platforms. These act as proof of your skills and set you apart from the crowd. Whenever possible, use real examples of your work or share feedback from previous clients. This demonstrates your quality and reliability in a way that words alone cannot. Also, be sure to mention valuable personal traits like punctuality, fast response times, eagerness to learn, and careful attention to detail. Next, let's explore where to find legitimate data entry jobs. There are many reputable sites to choose from. Upwork is well known for its wide range of data entry projects. Freelancer.com offers both short-term assignments and longer contracts. Fiverr allows you to promote specific data entry services and reach clients from all over the world. FlexJobs specializes in remote jobs that are screen and scam-free. LinkedIn provides connections with business clients and job boards for both remote and office roles. Indeed, also regularly update with verified openings. When registering on these platforms, always check user reviews and ratings. If a platform has good support and positive feedback, it's worth using. By investing time in building your credibility, updating your profiles, and choosing trustworthy platforms for finding work, you'll stand out as a reliable, skilled professional. Avoiding scams and unreliable gigs. As exciting as it is to find data entry work online, it's very important to be cautious. The internet is full of opportunities, but not all of them are genuine. Being alert can help you avoid disappointment, waste of time, or even financial loss. First and foremost, never pay any upfront fees. Legitimate employers will never ask you to pay money before giving you work. If you encounter anyone asking for payment in exchange for a job, it's a red flag. Always research the company or client before committing. Look for reviews, user ratings, and check the company's website and social media pages for authenticity. This simple step can save you from scams. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true. For example, if a task offers extremely high pay for very little work, it's likely a scam or unreliable. Trust your instincts and proceed carefully. Whenever possible, ask for a clear contract, even for small gigs. This contract should outline payment, deadlines, deliverables, and other important terms. A written agreement protects you and helps avoid misunderstandings. Protect your personal information at all times. Avoid sharing sensitive bank details or personal data unless you are certain the platform or client is secure and legitimate. If you feel unsure at any point, seek advice from trusted online communities or experienced freelancers. Their experience can guide you away from risky situations. By building a trustworthy profile, choosing reputable job platforms, and staying alert to common scam warnings, you put yourself on the path to genuine success. These smart steps help you stand out to quality clients, ensuring your work is safe, rewarding, and fulfilling. Remember, every careful decision brings you closer to a stable and growing career in data entry. Self-assessment. Are you ready to earn in data entry? Before you start your data entry journey, it's important to take a moment for self-assessment. This helps you understand where you stand and identify any areas you might want to improve. To guide you, there's a quick check you can use to evaluate if you meet the main criteria needed for success. Key areas to evaluate include your typing speed and accuracy, your comfort level with software like Excel and Google Sheets, and whether your workspace is set up to help you focus and work efficiently. This simple self-assessment is especially helpful for beginners and anyone exploring remote data entry roles as it helps focus attention on the skills that matter most. In fact, we provide a self-assessment form online which you can complete to get a clear picture of your readiness. You can find the link in the description or on the screen now. If you find areas where you may fall short, don't worry. This is not a setback. It's actually a helpful roadmap for improvement. Remember, every skill you need for data entry can be learned and strengthened with effort, right resources. Focus on improving one step at a time, celebrate your small wins, and you'll be ready to earn money in data entry sooner than you think.